Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean out the drip tray on a Delonghi Magnifica S. I'm also going to show you how to clean out the condensate tray. So when you're making coffee, at the very beginning when you turn it on and turn it off, it will run through a cycle and water will come out of here. So you will need to empty out the drip tray every now and then. There's a little indicator just here to let you know. Now I filled it up on purpose with water to bring it to the extreme, and you can see it's right the way up. But as soon as this starts protruding to around here, you want to be emptying out the drip tray, because if you leave it too long, it's going to start overflowing into the machine and out onto your counter. So what we need to do is, when you see this here, we need to pull it out. We're going to take out the grounds tray. It will also give us an opportunity to clean out the condensate tray down here. So just here, we can pull this one out. You can see there is actually a little bit of water in there. So let's bring these both over to the sink and we're going to empty out the water and also clean them. Right, so empty out the condensate tray and I'm just going to pour this out. Now you won't have as much water as that, hopefully. You can see now with no water, can you see it's not protruding up at all, so it's a little float. Now we're going to take off this top bit as well, and this will give us an opportunity to clean all around here and also in here as well, because you can see that there's actually quite a lot of coffee residue in here. So I'm just going to wash them both out. So we're going to put the condensate little tray back in here. You can see that there's a section there that goes into, and you just push it home. And now we're going to put the lid back onto this, like so, and the grounds tray back in. Obviously your grounds tray will need emptying as well. And that's it. You can now see that the float is right the way down and it's nice and clean on the inside. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.